What's up, guys? Today we're going to do something pretty cool. We're going to install the Mishimoto radiator into the BMW. I have a spot for it. I did a test fit already, so it's going to fit right in here. See that little square out there? Let me see. Yep, right there. So it's going to be on that line all the way through here. I have some stuff. There's a lot of stuff happening here. It's almost impossible. But see, throttle cable, coil packs, and all that stuff. So I got some of those rubber here, so I can put them on the side, on the bottom, so I can assure that this is not going to keep rubbing metal and then goes to waste. So let's figure it out. Let's put this in here and let's see how it looks. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get the radiator out of here. And I'm just gonna keep one of those in case I need to set this in here. And this is going to be around here. So as I measured before, we need to find a way to secure this in here, so I can hold it there, but it's going to be something like this. So what I did was I got this here. Check this out. This piece of metal, and just bent it. I bent the sides and a hammer so it gets the proper angle. So I was planning to drill a hole right in here and put this in there. But before doing this, I need to do some measurement to be sure that this is going to fit on the right spot. So this here has the height of the radiator, this guy. So we are gonna put the thing back in here. I'm gonna put the radiator on a secure place in here, which is never secure, but and we're gonna put back the frame and see how it is. So it goes in there. There you go. There you go. So this is like that. Where's the part? Here. And this is where it goes. Right in here. And this is how low it's going to sit. So I need to try to go as high as I can. And if I get this here, I have an idea of where it should sit. So yeah, so I'm gonna get a pen, I'm gonna mark, we're gonna drill some holes, but I'm gonna show you here first what I'm doing. There you go. So this goes right in here. I will need to cut part of this in order to fit the top part, which means the cap where we put the water. What I'll do is I'm gonna get this side, I'm gonna drill here, measure the distance, and do the same thing on the other side. And we're gonna use the holes that are there already, so we can test before drilling more holes. I'm pretty sure those holes are too deep, but I'll try anyway. So let me drill a hole. So after a lot of thinking and playing around, I decided to go right above here, and this is gonna be the center of my radiator. So I'm gonna get this guy. It's an M10-15 drill, and then we're gonna make the screw in there. So I'm gonna get right in here. Perfect. So I'm gonna tighten those guys. Right. Nice. Look at that. So now we leave like this. We have a couple of those big rubbers here. Oh, that's gonna be beautiful. Check this out. See that? Of course, I pushed too much one side. I don't have space on the other side. But what I'm gonna do is I might drill a hole in the middle of this, drill a hole and put a hole a little larger on the top, so I can put the bolt on top of this, so this will never fall. Yeah, I just gotta shave and split the sides, but dude, this is gonna be awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one out. Put in here. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna get in there. And boom. Alright, and it is time now. That's, yep, it's gonna be compressed very good. And then the other side, same thing. If I do this both sides, that's gonna be perfect. Look at this. Can you tell? There you go. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other one. The other side I have a little less space, so I might need to shave this guy a little bit. The only thing is this isn't tight as well because of the rubber, so it's squish, 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 and this is kind of loose in place. Yeah, what do we do? Okay, on this side here, because I don't have space, I'm gonna do something a little smarter. Instead of using this bolt hole, I drill another hole. There you go. Now I'm gonna tighten the bottom one again. All right. Nice. So I'm gonna take some of this here because we know that this will not fit in there. All right. Okay, that worked perfectly. I have this piece here that came out of the BMW from somewhere. I might put this guy in here just in case the radiator moves and start touching this part and rubbing. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, and all done. It is very good. It fits perfectly. I don't think I'll have any problems with clearance. I think it's high enough. But worst case, I can go a little higher still. Yeah, I can go up a notch tomorrow, because today is too late. I am going to cut this part here and take it out so I can have access to this, and maybe take this part out here, because this is a special thing that lets this kind of plastic corkscrew work, and I'm gonna weld here in the middle, but I'm not sure yet. This here, as you see, it goes down, but it doesn't quite go all the way. Oh, actually it does go but it's right on, so I need to add something here, like a piece of rubber, to make a little longer, just to have that securing the radiator also. So yeah, so I guess this is it for this video. We have not a lot to go, not a lot to do. We might need like a lot of wiring and all that stuff coming up. So yeah, be prepared. There's some Arduino thing coming to make the dash work, because the dash needs the bus, and I'm not going to keep anything BMW in this besides the shell. So yeah, stay tuned. So consider subscribing, that helps me a lot. Leave a little comment here if you have a better way to do this. I am kind of sad that Mishimoto doesn't have anything on the side of the radiator to help secure it, because if I could keep the bottom the way it did, and the side had a little tab, just one little tab, that's all I needed. But yeah, unfortunately it doesn't have, so we gotta work with what we have. So yeah, leave a little comment, leave that thumbs up, and I'll see you around.
Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's. 20 miles to